My Favorite Hispanic Dish by Teresa Bilsbeck. Empanadas. Growing up, we had a family friend, Amy, who made empanadas for us. I had never had anything quite like it. The flavors were so rich they continued to linger on my palate long after I had finished eating them, and I wanted more even though I was full. According to Webstaurant.com, empanadas are pastry shells filled with different types of fillings, such as meat, cheese, corn, vegetables, potatoes, and lots of spices. Our friend Amy was from Argentina. In this region of South America, it was common to put olives and raisins in the dish. While Amy added olives, she omitted the raisins in her empanadas. According to culturetrip.com, the origins of the empanada are not entirely clear, but it seems most likely that they first appeared in Argentina in the kitchens of immigrants from northern Spain, where the dish's forebar was a larger, double-crusted pie cut into slices. Although the pie shown in the picture is not cut into slices, this is what it would look like. So I got on the website, Goya.com, and I found a close replica of the one Amy made for us. So it includes olive oil, ground beef, an onion, tomato sauce, olives, sofrito base, which is a combination of tomato, onion, green pepper, cilantro, and garlic, coriander and annatto to taste, garlic, oregano, pepper to taste, and corn oil for frying. Again, you can find this on www.goya.com, and you find that on the bottom of the screen. So in case if you wanted to take a screenshot of the directions on how to make an empanada, I put them on this for you as well. And the website is also located on the bottom of the screen. According to culturetrip.com, once in South America, the empanada, meaning bread wrapped, continued to evolve from a pie made with dough to individual pockets of pastry crust, often made with animal fat and beef-loving Argentina. The handheld pies were baked or fried after being filled with whatever was available in the region at that time. I think the origin of empanadas is important as it reflects the fact that Argentina was once under the control of the Spanish conquistadors.